So my day with Atomy starts with our oral care. That is none other than our Atomy Toothbrush and the Propolis Toothpaste. Atomy Toothbrush is known for its soft and flexible bristle with only 0.18 thickness. It is ovalized and technically modified at the end into super slim size under 0.03 mm. So for me, who has issue with bleeding gums, when I use this toothbrush, I realized that my bleeding gums stopped. And I'm really so delighted. And because the toothbrush is so slim, the bristles are so slim, it is effective in removing the removal of plaque and residues, providing deep, refreshing feeling for your teeth and gums after brushing. And do you know the Atomy toothbrush is registered as a first-grade medical device in FDA? It's been certified antibacterial in KIFA, and it has a rounded slim head and an easy grip handle. So this soft, slim brush with such a fine and rounded bristle helps us to brush our teeth well. And the 99.9% of pure gold in this toothbrush contains antibacterial membrane. We all know that bacteria exists in our toilet the most because of the cistern and everything, and we keep our toothbrush in the toilet, right? In a cup or cover up and all this. So there's always a very high chance that our toothbrush can contain bacteria. But in Atomy's toothbrush, because of the 99.9% of pure gold powder, it can be effective even when it is not being used. So it keeps our toothbrush clean. So let's look at how many types of toothbrush does Atomy has. So we have actually, here on screen, we have actually 2 types of toothbrush, but we all know that there is the children toothbrush that's now available in Atomy Singapore. So the children's toothbrush is recommended for children below the age of 6, whereas these 2 toothbrushes are recommended for children above 6 and adults. So what's the difference between the normal toothbrush in Atomy and the compact? Well, the compact toothbrush has been specially designed for women, or for children who are 6 and above, or for those who have small oral structure. I love the compact toothbrush because personally, I felt that it can do a better job when I brush my teeth, the molar section. So this compact toothbrush would serve as for those who are not sure, don't know what to buy. You can always tell them, use the compact toothbrush if you feel that your face structure is small, especially for Asian women. It will do a better cleaning job. All right, then I end my oral care for the day, and I started my health care.